What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Key, and I am back with another video. Let's go. So like I said, I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. So basically, I am about to get ready to go to my cousin's birthday party, which is she wanted to do like a family game night. So I might vlog that as well, depending on how it be. But so basically, I have no clue what I'm wearing, no clue what I'm doing to my hair, and no clue what I want to eat, because I am actually doing a detox, and yeah, what they're having I cannot eat, so I have to give me something to eat on the way there. So therefore, what I'm about to do now is first make up my bed and stuff, then pick out what I'm about to wear. So I'll get back to y'all once I make up my bed and stuff. So yeah, so I cleaned up my room and I picked out my outfit. So I'm basically wearing these black jeans with this pink sweatshirt with them shoes. Yeah, I wanted to just to keep it simple, chill, and I yet still don't know what I'm doing to my hair. But I know I have these twisted. Yeah, they look a mess. Ooh, but I have them twisted, and I'm gonna take them out. So right now, I am about to get in the shower, brush my teeth, and do all that good stuff. And I'm gonna clean my face and get in the shower and brush my teeth and stuff. And when I get out, I guess I'll get dressed. So yeah, let me go and take my shower and stuff. And yeah, I got music on too, and so I like to do music while I do all of this. But girl ain't trying to get copyrighted, so let me go get in the shower. Okay, y'all, so I'm out the shower, and my hands right here because my hair looks a mess. But I hear my mom getting ready, so that means, baby, I need to hurry up. So basically, I'm gonna hurry up and take out my hair. And while I do that, y'all is about to watch me. So literally my phone got full of storage as I was taking out my hair. But this time my hair came out and I put it in this half up, half down. Alright. But I did this half up, half down thing. So I really do have to hurry up because now she had the car. But now I'm gonna just throw my jewelry on, then I'll be ready basically. So yeah.